Hey everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about sugar. All right. And sugar is one of those things that is, all right. To quote somebody from history, sugar is a necessary evil. All right. Sugar makes a lot of things taste better. I mean, could you imagine coffee? Those of you that drink coffee, all your lattes and frou-frou stuffs, without some sugar in it to make it taste better. If you have some of the old coffees and stuff used to be very bitter, and my grandmother used to talk about how she could, always had to add 2 or 3 spoonfuls of sugar to it just to make it palatable. But then sugar also has other uses too, for pastries and breads and frostings, ice cream. So sugar has a lot of uses, and there's different types of sugar. There's your white sugar, there's your powdered sugar or confectioner sugar, your light brown sugar, your dark brown sugar, your raw sugar. There's a bunch of different ways to use sugar, and each one has different uses. You're not going to use brown sugar to make frosting. You're going to want confectioner sugar. So you need to make sure you have plenty of sugar stored away. Now, sugar is one of those type of products that really doesn't go bad. Now, if the moisture gets to it, it can become clumpy and hard and chunky, but hey, you just break it apart and it's good again. So you need to make sure you have plenty of sugar, and when you're storing sugar, it's the only one you really need to worry about keeping it in a sealed container would be your confectioner sugar to keep the moisture out. That way it doesn't clump up, and because when powdered sugar clumps up, it's a pain to get it back down into a powdery substance you can use again. So, but regular sugar, it keeps good. The bugs don't usually get into it. And so it's a very easy to store product. All righty. And with that, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish. Keep on prepping, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.